Hello guys, welcome to Cybercrush YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 14 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's challenge. Guys, here I have the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, from here you can get all the updates from day 1 to day 24. And guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends. And guys, subscribe to Cybercrust YouTube channel. So guys, now I am on my TryHackMe dashboard. So let's move to AOC and we can give a continue learning. So guys, here you can see we have the day 14 container room. So here we are inside the container DoorDasher Demise. So here we have the video 1, here we have the video 2, and guys, from here the story begins. So guys, here basically the story is DoorDasher or a food delivery website. Like the TVFC company use it mostly to order its food and all. But they found somebody has taken the access of that website and they were trying for the stop preparation. You can escape the container and escalate our privilege so we can finish what our team had started. Top team of TVSC company, they started to take the full access of that website that has been banned. So here we have the learning objectives like how container and Docker works, explore Docker runtime concept, and we can apply this skill to investigate emails layer, escape a container, escalate privilege, and restore the DoorDasher service. And here we have some fun like do not order Santa's bread pasta. Now we can start the attack machine, and here we can start the target machine also. Now we can give a check here. Now we can move to task 2. So here we have what are containers. So guys, you can go through this theory. So I'm skipping all this part so you can get knowledge about the container, the Docker, and how to use the Docker. So now we can use the following instruction and we can start the practical tasks. Here we can use the command docker and ps. So we can give enter. So now you can see we have already started here. So now we can use the command like docker exe and uptime checker.sh. So I will copy this from here and here we can give a paste. So now I will give enter. So yes, now we got the access. So we can give a ls here and we can check for the directories. So like here you can check all the directories. So guys, now here we have some command like after logging in check the socket access by running. So here we can simply copy out this full command from here and we can give a paste and we can give the enter. So here also we found some information like one root. So here we can let's copy out this command and get access to the deployer container. So now we can give the paste here and yes, we can give enter. So now we will use the command who am I to check our. So here we have logged in as the deployer. So guys, now you can use this command like sudo recovery script.sh and we can give a paste here and let's check. Like here, yes, we have recovered completely. DoorDasher has been restored. The hacker has been defeated. So yes, we have recovered the DoorDasher website to the attack box and we can simply copy out this URL. So like we can copy this from here and we can use our browser, that is the Firefox, and we can simply paste that. So guys, here we have a question like there is a secret code content within the news site running on the port 5002. This code also happen to be password for the deployer user. So here we can see this is the deploy master 2025. So we will fill out this and we will give a check. So guys, here you can check this is correct. So now what exact command list running docker container. So this is docker ps. So yes, this is correct. So now what file is used to define the instruction for building a docker image. So this is docker file. So we'll give a check. So now let's find the flag. So what is the final flag? So now we can do one thing. We can use the command like docker run it run minus it and deployer sh. So now we can do ls and we can give ls minus l. So now we can do cd and come out of that, and if we'll do a ls, so here you can find that flag.txt. So we can give a get and flag.txt. So now here we have the final flag. So we can copy out this flag from here and we can simply paste down and give a correct. So yes guys, this is correct. So now here we have the recommendation room, so you can give a check. So yes guys, you did it, container to dasher. So here also I got a ticket from cyber advent of cyber. And guys, now we can move to Wareville. Here you can see we have successfully completed the day 14 challenge. So guys, we have successfully completed the day 14 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. For more updates, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. Thank you.